Good evening, I'm Alicia Garcia. After the U.S. Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade, Governor Kristi Noem wasted no time in committing to a special legislative session on abortion. However, almost 3 weeks since that happened, speculation in Pierre is mounting that Noem is preparing to walk back on those calls. Our Austin Goss has been following the situation from Pierre.
Governor Kristi Noem sent out a release immediately after the Dobbs decision came out, along with legislative leaders, calling for a special session on abortion. At the state Republican convention that same day, Noem told me that a special session was probably needed.
We more than likely may have to go into a special session to address a few of our statute changes that may need to be made. I'd like to see us really start supporting mothers in a new way.
But almost 3 weeks later, that special session appears less than likely. Speculation has mounted in Pierre that Noem is preparing to walk her call for a special session back. In a statement, Speaker of the House Spencer Gosh called a special session highly unlikely.
We just want to make sure all bases are covered there.
Aaron Elward is the chair of the recently formed Freedom Caucus, which put out a statement Thursday urging Noem to move forward with the special session.
After the Dobbs decision came out, which was great, pushing it back to the states, that trigger law that got put in place in South Dakota is great. We just feel that there may be some loopholes out there still that we would like to address. And we just want to make sure as a legislature that we have all those loopholes covered up.
Noem's gubernatorial opponent, Jamie Smith, says that Noem is backing off to avoid political blowback.
She decided this wouldn't be best for her campaign image. I think she found out there were going to be some people bringing some bills that she wasn't going to want to deal with. And so she backed out of that.
An official announcement regarding the special session is expected in the coming days. In Pierre, I'm Austin Goss.